Oh, bless you.
Could you speak up? He will be reminded of his love.
How long since you've been back? I've only been gone 6 months.